Hello guys, in this video I will show you Qwen 3 is a free Sora killer unlimited image to video tutorial. So Qwen AI is actually Chinese based AI model which allows you to generate unlimited videos. It's a free open source website. So if you're looking forward for an alternative, Sora 2, as you all know, it's a video generator which by OpenAI, but it costs a lot of money. There's a subscription fees you need to pay, so it is not a free model at all. So if you're looking forward for a free alternative, definitely this is Qwen AI, which is a Chinese based model. So I have generated this video. So I simply written the prompt here, generate video, where two guys are coding on laptop. So it generated this video for us. It also generate an audio as well. You get this download button. It also doesn't have any kind of watermark as well. So we are simply using free Google account here. It doesn't have any kind of limit. So if you simply type here Qwen AI, this bot will come right here, the very first website. This is a personal best solution for any kind of video that you want to generate. Simply log in with your Google account, and right here you will see this option for creating video. So simply select this, and right here aspect ratio, you can even select here what kind of video you are generating: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. So depending upon that, you select the aspect ratio, and then simply write the prompt here. So just return this prompt here, generate YouTube video where two guys are dance. You can even give duration as well. You can even mention the duration of video should be 10 seconds. So as soon as you send out this request, the AI will start generating the video for you. And once the video generates, you will get a notification. So it doesn't have any kind of limit. You can generate unlimited videos. So this is a great alternative to tools like Sora 2, which cost a lot of money. So you can simply go to here and simply generate your videos in one go. Some other websites, bonus website that I can show you, Meta AI. This is by Facebook. So if you go to Meta AI, also write the simple prompt. This also generates TikTok, Instagram, vertical kind of videos. You can see these are some of the videos which are generated. You also get the download button as well. So this is meta.ai. And then again we have another website, free open source website for generating videos. It's Arena AI. Simply go to the browser, simply type this website, and these are some of the videos that I generated.
Yeah, and then close it with the bracket. Nice.
Done. Look at that, no errors.
Beautiful. Debugging with this view is hard to beat.
Definitely worth the.
So you can see it also contains professional looking audio as well. You can't say that this video is generated by AI. So there is no limit. You can generate unlimited videos right here using AI. So this will save you a lot of time as well. So these are the three websites: chat.coinai, then we have Meta AI, and then we have Arena AI. So these are the three best alternatives out there for Sora 2 if you're looking forward for an alternative for generating videos. So typically it takes some time to generate the video, but the video generated will be of high quality. So just need to wait. So once it reaches 100%, you will see the output video. So now you can see the video has been successfully generated.
1, 2, step right, 3, 4, spin tight. 1.
So it also contains sound as well, as you can see that we have this download button. So you can click the download button to download the video inside your machine. So definitely check this out. It's completely free and there is no limit. You can create unlimited videos.